Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video, and I'm here again with a new table topic. So the table topic for today is chasing dreams is constructive pastime. Chasing dreams is a constructive pastime. Chasing dreams. When we talk about dreams, it's very important that we should dream and we should dream big, because the bigger your target is, bigger your dream is, the more closest you can get to it. So it's very important that you dream, and then it brings to me the table topic for today. Chasing dream is a constructive pastime. I see chasing dreams is something that's worth fighting for, that is worth chasing for. So for me, I wouldn't say it's a pastime, because the pastime word is a little bit, it's not a positive word. What I want to say, chasing dreams is the constructive pastime. I would take a different stand. I would say the chasing dreams is the one of the biggest thing that you are doing for yourself. It's very important that if you have a big dream, then chase it, then try for it. But if you don't, when you will be older and you will be in the age, in your dying years, at that time, if you have the regret that maybe you should have tried for your dreams, that is not worth it. It is okay that if you don't achieve your dream, it is okay, but at least fight for it, at least try for it to achieve it. That is thing that matters. It doesn't matter if you achieve it or not. It doesn't matter if you hit that bar or not. What matters is your effort. That's what it counts. In the dying years, you should be able to look in your eye and say, yes, I did try. It's okay if I failed. A lot of people fail. So thank you. That's it. Over to you.